Are you looking for a free property management platform to help you manage your rental properties, collect rent, and keep your finances organized? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Baselane, the property management software built specifically for landlords and real estate investors. The best part is that Baselane offers a free account, making it a great option for new landlords, self-managing property owners, and investors who want to get started without paying monthly software fees. And if you are planning to sign up, be sure to use the link in the description below. By using our link, you'll be supporting the channel at no extra cost to you, and you'll still be able to sign up for the Baselane's free account option. So, let's begin. Baselane is definitely one of the best platforms today worth checking out. It combines property management, rent collection, banking, bookkeeping, and financial reporting into a single platform, making it much easier to stay organized and keep track of your rental business. Remember, to get started, you can simply use our affiliate link in the description below, because after accomplishing that, you will be forwarded to a new page, which is the quick onboarding process to help personalize your experience. The question is, how many rental units or doors do you own or manage? You see, you have several options ranging from 0 until 51 plus, and this information allows Baselane to tailor the platforms to your needs. Simply choose the option that best matches your current portfolio, whether you're just getting started as a new landlord, managing a few rental properties, or overseeing a much larger real estate portfolio. Now, if you're only exploring the platform or do not currently own any rental properties, it's okay. You can simply select 0 and continue with the setup process. Now, here, what type of real estate do you primarily own or manage? Is it going to be a long-term rental, short or mid-term rental, fix and flip, and commercial? So for example, in this case, I am going to choose the fix and flip. What will happen is you'll be asked the total rental income do you typically collect each month. This is very important because Baselane will customize and tailor the experience for you depending on the information that you give here. Let's say I am going to choose less than 7,500, or maybe I'm over 1,500 or 15,000 US dollars. Okay, and the source that you hear on Baselane, is it YouTube, Facebook, and a lot more? Let's say I'm going to choose YouTube. What will happen is you'll be instantly directed to a section if you wanted to have a demo, or maybe later. Let's do that right now. And the next step is going to be the Baselane setup process, selecting what you hope to accomplish with the platform. You can select one or multiple options depending on how you plan to use the platform, and click the continue button. And then of course, feel free to check every option that applies to your workflow. Since many landlords use Baselane for more than one purpose, you are not limited to selecting just one goal. But for now, I'm going to click the finish later, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the main platform itself. Right away, the platform gives a clean, modern, and well-organized first impression, making it easy to see where to begin. The first thing you will notice is the setup guide, which walks you through the essential steps to get your account fully configured. This is especially helpful for first-time users since it's providing a clear checklist instead of leaving you to figure out everything on your own. Now, the dashboard is going to be the main overview of your Baselane account, giving you a snapshot of your rental business, including recent transactions, cash flows, rent payments, account balances, and important notifications. This is going to be the first place you'll visit to monitor your property's financial information. And of course, if you wanted to create or open a new bank account, you can do that. You need to select an account type. Is it going to be an individual or business? If you are a new landlord, all you have to do is ensure that all of the information is correct. And for example, provide all the information that you needed and complete all these steps from address, business info, operational details, ID verification, review and submit, or if you want, you can finish that later. It's simple. And then the properties and entities is where you manage all of your rental properties. You can add residential or commercial properties, organized units, assign tenants, and connect each property to a legal entity such as an LLC. If you wanted to add a property, you can do that. Provide the entity. All right, let's say LLC right here. If you don't have it right here, and type the complete address. You need to choose the property type. Is it going to be a single family home, apartment, a duplex, townhomes, or other? Or if you want, you can also put in the property name if you wanted. Is it going to be a single unit or a multiple unit? It's up to you. All right. And then after the properties and entities, we have the accounts. Basically, this is going to be the section that displays all your connected banks. Since we haven't already finished creating or opening a banking account, this is where you finish it. Okay. You can review balances, view account activity, manage account settings, and organize finances by property or business entity. Now below that is going to be the cards, allowing you to give eligible users to manage Baselane debit cards linked to their accounts. Because as a landlord, you can issue cards, monitor purchases, set spending controls, and easily track property-related expenses. Now, the transfers and payments is where you move money between accounts or send payments. You can transfer funds internally, pay vendors, reimburse expenses, and manage outgoing payments from your rental banking accounts. Now, under the bookkeeping, you have the transactions. This provides a complete history of all the money moving through your accounts. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have anything yet in place, but you can add a specific transaction. For example, let's say I am going to add a new transaction. Transaction name is going to be this one. Money is around here. Select a date, for example, July 30th or maybe July 20th. Category is going to be like fees and other revenue. Select property is going to be like entities. If you want to add a property, you can do that and click the save button. Now here, of course, you can search, filter, categorize, edit, or review individual transactions to ensure your records stay accurate. Now, the automation helps you reduce manual work by creating rules for your finances. This requires you to start a 30-day trial if you wanted to leverage the automations for your business. For example, you can automatically categorize recurring expenses, assign transactions to specific properties, or streamline bookkeeping tasks. It's up to you. And then the reports generates any financial reports that could help you understand your rental business. You can review profit and loss statements, cash flow reports, income summaries, and of course, any expense breakdown and other performance metrics. Basically, there's a lot of report that you can help with so that you can view the balance sheet, tax package, and other reports by new entity. And if you want to download, you can do that as well. You can choose from a CSV or PDF file. Now, the tax center organizes all your financial information needed during tax season. It helps you track deductible expenses, generate tax-ready reports, and simplify preparing information for your account or tax filing. You just have to select your properties and add the properties so you can have and generate your own tax package. You can also choose the duration. Now, the rent collection allows landlords to collect rent electronically from tenants. You can invite tenants, set up recurring rent payments, track payments, send reminders, and monitor rent collection in real time. But for you to be able to do that, you need to set up a rent collection. Creating a rent collection requires you to upgrade to the premium plan. Now, if you click the More section, you have the insurance, providing access to insurance options designed for rental property owners. Now, depending on availability, landlords can explore coverage for rental properties, liability protection, and other insurance products to help protect their investments. So all I have to do now is go to the loans, which allows you or anyone eligible property owners to explore financing options. Now, landlords may be able to apply for rental property loans, review available financing offers, and manage loan-related information directly through the platform. And that's everything you need to know to get started with Baselane. As you've seen throughout this tutorial, the platform combines property management, rent collection, banking, bookkeeping, reporting, and tax tools into one easy-to-use dashboard, making it a solid choice for independent landlords and real estate investors looking to simplify their rental business. One of Baselane's biggest advantages is that you can create a free account and explore many of its core features without paying upfront, making it easy to see whether it's the right fit before considering any premium options. And if you're planning to sign up, be sure to use the link in the description below. Signing up through our link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and you'll be taken directly to the Baselane registration page to create your free account. And if you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.